Tem outro informe, como país do Caribe que é líder de sustentabilidade, Aruba ayama bombinina e promover de KLM riba biofuel para nossa região. Depois que a largo Aruba e KLM vira partner ng clave para outro, agora mais ainda a mostra é união que tem entre a aerolínea e nos isla. Aunque depois de temporada que cancela o vuelo para nosso país, agora propisa que o futuro está mostra brilhante e por esperar mais projeto na Sina que está encajar a visão de Aruba sustentável na 2020.
Não por mencionar o futuro, se incorda que o tour de passado a conduzir para chegar aí não. Aruba com KLM conhece momento não menos bom, pero com a ano 2009 há tour lo possível para essa que cambia. KLM começa a bula back para Aruba e trece hope visão não novo com ele.
At that time, we also made commitments. We made commitments for KLM. It's not only for us a airline. KLM and Schiphol are for us kingdom institutions. They represent everything of the kingdom. Innovation, education, work, hard work, efficiency, and dedication to progress. So we needed also to demonstrate KLM that this new appeal coming from a new government in Aruba had its commitment and its eyes on the future and important future challenges. We spoke about a green Aruba at that time, which was only now developing at that moment. We spoke about a gateway, and it gives me great pleasure to read in the Telegraph of the day before yesterday, Mr. Hartman talking about the Aruba airport being the gateway for the Caribbean here. Mr. Nehuis, thank you very much for your contribution in that. We spoke about the bridge that Aruba can be between Europe and Latin America and between Latin America and Europe. And we promised Mr. Hartman that we would work tirelessly on creating more connection between Aruba and Latin America and the Caribbean so they could be working as feeders for KLM. The fact that KLM is growing today also has a lot to do with the way we have worked together during the last couple of years to realize that feeding process in Aruba.
Agora Aruba tinha honor de estar a primeira isla do Caribe que recebi KLM su primeiro vuelo riba Biofuel da área. Está aqui porque da mirar como muestra de boa relação e confiança que o país Aruba binta crea com a aerolínea.
This is the first biofuel flight of KLM to the Dutch Caribbean, but I can add something new to that because all the networks today, international newscasts were broadcasting another first of this flight. And I will read. An Airbus A330 200 of KLM Royal Dutch Airlines has commenced the longest commercial flight with sustainable jet fuels ever performed by an Airbus aircraft. So for those that doubted that this was more than a first flight to a Dutch Caribbean island, know today this is the first Airbus flight of this distance made with biofuel. Aruba is proud that KLM has chosen us as the destination for this very. We're dedicated to making our island a sustainable island.
Gabinete Mike Eamon tem visão para chegar num Aruba completamente sustentável, que tem no momento na que mostra hope prometedor e que partner na clave para lograr a meta.
We're dedicated to bringing important Dutch and European institutions to Aruba, such as TNO. We have been actively working with universities. We have been working with institutions of the Netherlands. Today we had meeting with the Scheepvaart School of Rotterdam, also established right now in Aruba with a great pilot project. Rietveld Academy established in Aruba, and the Haagse Hotel School also in the process of establishing in Aruba. Philips just chose Aruba as the site to demonstrate the introduction of LED light in 100% of the households, in 100% of all lighting in Aruba. So our island not only will be the bridge, but also the showcase for a lot of new development. Thank all our partners that are forming part of this great movement. Our partner from Carbon War Room, Mr. Jose Maria, present here today. Amigo, muchas gracias para su presencia. Gracias para el gran aporte de Carbon War Room al futuro de Aruba. Somos muy orgullosos de ser partner en un trabajo tan importante para el mundo.
Para Noticia de Nochi, a mitad de Simon.
Ha creado más aspectos de vuelo transatlántico de Airbus de KLM usando bioquerosene.